friends, today I'm making garlic chicken and so please join me. So to start with, first we have to marinate. This is 1 kg chicken. So for marination we will put 1 spoon of oil in it. Then we will put half a spoon of ginger to it. And this I have made crushed garlic and green chili, so I will put 1 spoon of this inside the marination. And after this I will add 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of red chili, and half a spoon, 1/4 spoon of turmeric. And now we will mix it using a hand. We have to keep this marination for at least 3 hours or overnight. Now we'll take a pan and we'll put 2 spoons of oil in this. These are 4 finely chopped onions which I will put in this. You require very finely chopped onions in this. It will almost take 5 minutes to roast these onions, and I think I will be adding 1 more spoon of oil to it. So I have added 3 spoons of oil to roast these onions. Till the time our onions are getting roasted, we'll cook the chicken. We'll take again 1.5 tablespoon of oil. We have to spread it little. And we will take this marinated chicken which we have marinated and we'll put it in this pan. Doing this way will save a lot of time, and even the chicken will get roasted very well. After 1 minute, I will put a lid on top so that the chicken get cooked properly. Now you can see the onions are brown in color. Now we will add half a spoon of ginger to it. This is half a spoon crushed ginger. After adding ginger, we will add this. This is crushed green chili which I have added in marination, as well as garlic. This now I will add 2 tablespoons of crushed green chili and garlic. This will give the real taste to the chicken. Now a very good smell of garlic, green chili and ginger is coming. A very good aroma. After roasting it for 2 minutes, we'll add tomato puree in it. This is made up of 4 fresh tomatoes which I have churned in mixie. Now I will add half a spoon of red chili to it again for the gravy, and just 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Very less is required. We have already added in marination. 1/4 spoon of salt, and just half a spoon of coriander powder. This is just for the gravy, not for the chicken, so we have to reduce the quantity of everything. So till the time this gravy is getting cooked, we'll just watch our chicken. So we'll open the lid and we'll see the chicken is getting cooked in its own juices. There's a lot of juice inside. Since it is marinated, so it will be very juicy. Now our gravy is ready, you can see it. Now we'll put this chicken inside the gravy. So this is how we have saved a lot of time. Our chicken is cooked also. So now we'll cook them together so that the chicken and the gravy mix well. Now we'll put a lid on top and we'll put the flame on sim and we'll cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we can open the lid and we can see the gravy is looking so good and our chicken is ready. And once chicken is ready, we'll add this Maggi hot and sweet sauce, just 1 spoon to it. It will give sweet and sour flavor to the chicken. Just 1 tablespoon, not more. And we'll mix it. Now our garlic chicken is ready. So you can see our garlic chicken is ready, and I have served with honey chili potato, which you can again see in my another video, how to make honey chili potato.